Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, friends, then watch my video till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you short bob hairs with undercut. Guys, this video is specially for gays or lesbians or the people who want short hairs. Guys, this is a very pretty hairstyle for every type of face or every hair type. This give you a very bold look, as you guys seen in the pictures. This is a very pretty hairstyle for every girl. Guys, please watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut or hair dye idea. And if you want to get this haircut, take a screenshot of a haircut or hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this haircut or hair dye from any parlor. Guys, this is a very informative video for you all. Please watch it till the end. After watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And guys, please watch my video till the end. I make this video for you guys. This is very informative video for every girl. Please watch it till the end. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos, and share them with your family members.